Okay, apple chicken's awesome. Definitely put some apple slaw on there. Apple slaw is really huge. Put that on there, it really kicks it up. Tastes pretty awesome. Awesome light dish for summer for sure. And then also made some cauliflower with some smoked paprika. So that just really kicks it up because it's a nice combination. Really works well with the apple chicken and the apple slaw. Just a really good meal. Great for summertime. Doesn't take that long. Most of it's done in the crock pot anyways for you. So definitely, I'll eat a bunch of the rest tonight. It'll probably all be gone. But anyways, I'll definitely have some more for you real soon. But anyways, enjoy. I'm going to have more right now.